He's like, yo, let me get me some of this before he come back over there. Yo, he is straight punking everybody. That one right there got a little bit of food.
While the other one was fighting.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's just crazy. He's just like, wait. Was he waiting on there that whole time? Oh, I started to get some food.
Look. Get the fuck out of here.
Do they know sign language?
They just know get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, I can tell because he's like.
No, I wish I would have been recording when they started fighting. That was crazy. Someone's gonna make a try for it. Get out of here. Yeah.